وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. Look within yourself, recognize your Allah. This eyesight, it is said 1 millimeter of the eye can accept 30,000 separate points of light in 1 second. Allah has created in each eye 130 million receptors for light in each eye. Behind this eye is a cable. Not one cable or two cables. Not one or two wires. 1.3 million wires. 1.3 million wires running at the back of the eye of each human being. It goes through a hole in the back. How big is that hole? 1.25 millimeter. 1.3 million wires going through a hole 1.25 millimeter without friction, without rubbing against each other, without sparks coming out, because if sparks came out, then everything will look upside down to you. At the back of that is the retina. These eyes are taking 10 three-dimensional pictures every second, 800,000 pictures every day. How much you pay for them to develop one picture your camera takes? 800,000 pictures every day. Allah, these eyes are taking. When one image falls on the retina, the muscles contract to clear it for the next picture. This happens 10 times every second. It is said if those same muscles are to be put into your feet, it is the equivalent of walking 100 kilometers every day. So that with every glance, that eyesight is inviting you, recognize the greatness of Allah. Recognize the favor of Allah. Recognize the deen of your Allah upon